Are you looking for the best coffee mug warmers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best coffee mug warmers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. The automotive Plus hits the sweet spot between form and function. Made of handcrafted ceramic in refined colors like jasmine white, soft gray, and deep navy, it looks and feels like a classic mug, not a tech gadget. While testing, we found the ceramic material stood out by preserving the natural flavor of coffee without any metallic or artificial aftertaste, unlike some stainless or coated smart mugs. With an 18-ounce capacity, it's the largest mug on our list and a great choice for sippers who enjoy generous pours. It comes paired with an induction heating pad that keeps your drink at a consistent 130 degrees Fahrenheit for long stretches. The included matching ceramic lid also helps retain heat between sips. While there is no way to adjust the temperature, you can simply lift the mug briefly if you prefer it cooler. Unlike many smart mugs, the UI Plus is also dishwasher safe, making it easy to use every day. With its mix of style, function, and versatility, the UI Plus stands out as the best overall choice. We also tested the automotive 3, which has the same elegant design in a 12-ounce size that's perfect if you prefer smaller pours. Both mugs work with the same heating pad, which keeps drinks at a steady 130 degrees Fahrenheit and doubles as a Qi wireless charger for phones or earbuds. Dimensions: 5.5 x 5.5 x 4 inches capacity, 18 ounces temperature setting, 130 F cord length, 61 inches dishwasher safe, yes, mug only. Number 2. Best high-end. This smart mug impressed us with its accurate heating and polished design. Unlike many warmers that only heat from the bottom, the next mug keeps your coffee at a consistent temperature throughout. A single button on the mug lets you choose between 3 presets: warm, 130 F, hot, 140 F, and piping, 150 F. In testing, all 3 were accurate, with the lowest setting ideal for sipping and the highest almost too hot. The 14-ounce capacity feels generous without being bulky, and the mug comes in a range of colors, from bright pink and sage to more neutral tones, such as graphite and slate blue. The battery lasted about an hour in our testing, which was shorter than we'd hoped, but you can extend use by keeping it on the charging base. It also comes with a spill-resistant lid that makes it easy to carry from room to room, though it is not designed as a travel mug due to its handle. Though it may be pricier than other picks on our list, we think the next mug's accuracy, variety of colors, and sleek design justify the cost. Dimensions: 4.5 x 5 inches capacity, 14 ounces temperature settings, 130, 140, and 150 F cord length, 72 inches dishwasher safe, no, hand wash only, lid is dishwasher safe. Number 3. Best budget. The Cosari Original Coffee Warmer is a reliable pick if you want an affordable option that still heats coffee effectively. This set includes a stainless steel mug with a heatproof handle, a silicone sleeve for comfort, a fitted lid, and a matching warming plate. We found the mug comfortable to hold, but the metal rim can get hot at higher settings, so you'll want to sip carefully. It's worth noting that while the hot plate can be set as high as 230 F, the coffee itself won't actually reach that temperature. In our testing, the included stainless steel mug heated drinks to about 170 F at most, which is already hotter than most people would want to sip their coffee. Other mugs can be used with the warming plate, but ceramic and thicker materials don't hold heat as effectively, often leaving coffee lukewarm. For the best and most consistent results, we found the included stainless steel cup is the way to go, which makes this one of the most effective budget-friendly warmers we tested. Dimensions: 5.4 x 4.3 inches capacity, 17 ounces temperature settings, 77 to 230 F cord length, 61 inches dishwasher safe, yes. Number 4. Best for travel. The Ember Travel Mug 2 makes it easy to enjoy coffee that actually stays hot when you're on the go. Instead of relying on a warming plate, the mug heats your drink directly and keeps it at your preferred temperature for up to 3 hours on a full charge. It looks like a 16-ounce travel mug but holds 12 ounces to make room for the battery, a small trade for reliable, portable heat. The mug lets you choose a temperature between 120 and 145 F, with controls on both the mug and the Ember app. The app also has extras like naming your mug, displaying a scrolling message, and syncing with Apple's Find My in case it goes missing. Another bonus is the automatic shut-off, which conserves the battery after 2 hours of inactivity. The mug powers back on when it senses liquid or movement. Accessories like a charging port for the car and a special cleaning brush are available. One downside is the push-to-open lid. Though it seals tightly for travel, we found that steam can build up and cause splattering when opening because it is such a good seal. To prevent this, we recommend cracking the lid briefly a few times before sipping to help release pressure and minimize the issue. At a higher price point, the Ember Travel Mug 2 is a splurge, but for anyone who wants hot coffee wherever they go, it definitely checks all the right boxes. Dimensions: 4.1 x 7.9 inches capacity, 12 ounces temperature settings, 120 to 145 F cord length, 70 inches dishwasher safe, no, hand wash mug, lid is dishwasher safe. Number 5. Best Smart. Where it really stands out is its futuristic smart functions. This mug is controlled by an app that lets you set its temperature to an individual degree, anywhere from 120 to 145. The app has a steeping timer with recommended temperatures for different types of tea, specialized presets for different beverages, and the ability to program your own beverage routine exactly how you like it. It can even connect to your phone's health app to track how much caffeine you're consuming. And we found the Ember app blissfully intuitive to connect and use, with none of the bugs and glitches we often run into with smart kitchen appliances. The temperature control was precise, keeping coffee at the same temperature whether the mug was full or nearly empty. On the other hand, you can't really use the Mug 2 without the app. You can turn the device on manually, and it will heat to the last temperature it was set to, but you don't have any control over it otherwise. We also found it undersized, with a mere 10-ounce capacity for the standard model. There's a 14-ounce version available that's significantly more expensive. We love the matte finish on the Mug 2 as well as the fact that it comes in black, white, or a few other colors, but it is rather delicate. You have to wash the mug by hand and can't use metal implements. We scratched a test model pretty badly with just one metal spoon stirring session. Dimensions: 6 x 5 inches capacity, 10 ounces temperature settings, 120 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit cord length, 70 inches dishwasher safe, no.